Step inside and it just feels right. Light moving easy from room to room. Open spaces, nothing forced, just a home that lets you move. Every corner has its place, nothing wasted, nothing tight. You don't have to figure it out, it already fits your life. What if home felt easy from the start? Like I knew you before you walked in the door. Room to live and room to breathe, and a little bit more than you asked for. Where the days settle in just right, and the nights don't rush you along. Right here, where it all comes together, this is where you belong. Out back, where the water softly moves, that steady sound you don't think about. Voices carry from the pool, after rising, drifting out. Firelight when the day winds down, time stretches without a plan. You look around and realize you're already staying longer than you planned. Or what if home was where you didn't need to go, looking for something somewhere else? Everything you want is already here. You can finally just be yourself, where the moments come and stay a while, and nothing feels rushed or gone. Right here, where it all comes together, this is where you belong. This is where you belong. There's a space that gives you room to be close but still your own. A door that opens when you need it, and quiet when you don't. For family, for guests, for whatever comes. Life changes, and this one bends. It's not just how it looks today, it's how it works as life extends. Maybe it's not something you can explain, not numbers, not words, not lines on a page, just the way it feels standing here, like you found what you've been trying to name. What if home was everything it wants? Space and comfort, calm and connection. A place that holds the way you live, without a second guess or question. Where the days feel full and the nights feel still, and you don't have to search for more. Right here, where it all comes together, this is what home is for. Yeah, right here, where it all comes together, this is